Cops calling it another murder case. We spread 187 where you last lay. We never do it for the fame, cause in this game it's about staying alive. Channel 7 reporting live direct from your case and what they gotta say. Another team gone and who they gotta blame. Of course they go straight to gangs. Government don't care about our lives. Yeah, we all wonder if it's for our color. They should focus in the ghetto and help us out, cause cops don't care. They're always late on a murder scene, and when we get down for our own, they report us right away. We ought to stay true to the blue. Cops taking pictures of our tattoos. We real G's till the day we die, putting in work is our lives. And say whatever you want about me, but just stay away from me, cause me and my clique, locked and loaded, click, pick, bang, bang. Locked and loaded, fuck who you be. I was raised in the hood, now I be suckers, letting suckers free fall, cause I'm not letting no one talk about me. I got highness going crazy in their high heels, and you all know who I be. Girls be calling me, yeah, I'm out here with my clique, cause I don't let no one fuck with the Smoke family. Homies on the roof, two at the gate that never hesitate to pull the trigger, and we never play blowing money every day. Homies seem to fly every day. Just in this past year, I lost 2 real riders to the streets. Demons in my mind, there's no reason why to cry. I got chronic in the Swisher Sweet, and it's called day blunt, drinking Hennessy, popping bottles, watching these girls move side to side, getting private dances in the back. So shh and listen up to my beat, cause girls be calling me Bobby, and I be in the back with the girl on my lap. I got haters talking about me, cause they don't got the boss to say what they think. They keep it to their minds and talk behind my back. Some used to be my real homies, and look at them now. That's what I call a real phony, playing an act. And I wonder if it's possible for BET to play this, cause we all know they don't wanna see a Mexican succeed in this rap game. Yeah, they got Little Game Wayne and the game, calling themselves Blood Spirit in LA. They're never to be seen on the streets of Compton. Easy East started gangster rap. Now niggas wear tight jeans without pride, calling it swag. But out here in Cali, we still listen to Eazy-E, that rest is in peace with Tupac. And on the homies on the west side, listening to Ice Cube, cause it's Raider Nation till the day we die. Well, I'm putting work in the east side. Dreamer product entertainment be on the rise. Yeah, same shit, different day. Straight out from the 90. You know who I be, and I'm out.